JDCap26 here, just do tips and tools and hobbies. Hi guys and girls, and I have some in-depth information on t-shirts, and I want to show you a few things. I want to get right into them. See this shirt right here? See how it doubled over when I peeled the thing off? It caught itself and it ripped some of the image off. This is a pretty fresh image, so it's pretty big, okay? But in this shirt right here, see that image right there? It's faded. It's faded because it was washed in warm water and it shrunk a little. It also can shrink a little bit. So when you do t-shirts, you want to wash them in cold water and turn them inside out and let them air dry, so you preserve the image. That image is not as big as this image right here. See that image right there? It's printed out. That's what you'd get when you print it out on an iron-on transfer. And when you put it on, it's going to be bigger. So when you try to redo the image, it's going to not look too good. So what you have to do is you have to take your image, okay, this image, and bring it into Pages in iMac. You bring it into Pages and you size it down to the size of what your t-shirt image is on your t-shirt, and you can size it down, bring the corners down with the little corner pointers, and then you can print it out and it'll be the size of your t-shirt. So when you go to redo this image on the shirt, okay, it'll be the same size. If I can get the shirt out here, technical difficulty. It'll be the same as this size, so you want to size it down because obviously that's too big, okay, and it'll just look terrible. If it's this faded and this, bad, the image may just go right over and block it out, but I doubt it. It'll probably look kind of funny. You want to try to match it up. So those are my tips. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as best I can. Doing iron-on transfers is pretty fun, but you got to know the ins and outs. The ins and outs are wash the shirts, they're cotton shirts, in cold water, not too much detergent, and let them air dry and wash them inside out. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video, and I hope this helped you, and have a safe day.